Bestie, let's make this chicken sauce together. You see, this chicken sauce is mouth-watering. So you're going to start by cutting your green bell pepper, then also your yellow bell pepper. You can get this depending on the size of the food you want to cook. All right, so you cut to the desired shape. I prefer this shape. Then I cut my red bell pepper. Okay, these are the 3 peppers I'll be using to cook this food. I'm not going to be using so many vegetables and all that, just straight to the point. Then my carrot. Did you see the shape of this carrot? Try and use this shape, you would love it. Okay, so slice to your desired shape though if you don't want this shape. And your chicken, I go for boneless chicken, so it won't stress me trying to debone the chicken. So you can just get a boneless chicken and it makes your cooking very, very easy. Cut your desired shape, then cut your onions to your desired shape. So I tried to cut them to the shape that that I love. Now these are the 5 things, or let's say 6 things I'm gonna be using. The next thing I do is to cook my chicken. Add the seasoning, your curry, your thyme, your chicken seasoning of your choice. I added garlic. I love garlic. And I added pepper. I love spicy food. I turned very well. Add salt to taste also. All right, then cover and let it cook up. Yes, if you want you can add water, but I did not. All right, I wanted the ingredients to sink into the chicken. Yeah, so while you're eating your sauce, it will be very delicious. Now the next thing I do is just to add the oil and fry the chicken. I don't want to fry it to be very dry. No, just the way you're saying it right away. Now I'll be adding my green pepper, my yellow bell pepper, my red bell pepper. Okay, the onion, part of the onions and part of the carrot. Yes, okay, so because I love my sauce to be very crunchy, so I love still adding more onions at the end of the day, so that crunchy taste, I love it. So I add a little water. This sauce, I want it to be a dry sauce, so I don't want it to be so watery, so just very little water. Added my garlic again. I love garlic. Little of curry, little of the chicken spices, then my soy sauce is gonna go in, little of the salt. Okay, but your salt is whatever you want. All right, now your corn flour, I just added little corn flour so it can be slightly thick. Now I put in the onions lastly and turned very well. This food is ready. I'll just cover it and let it heat up. I love pepper. I love pepper, so that's why I always add pepper. So if you're not the kind of person that wants spicy food, please avoid the pepper. Then just cover and let it steam up for a little, maybe a minute or two, and voila, your food is ready. Bessie, come and join me. You see, this food is straight to the point. It's easy to make. It's stress-free. If you have your processor, you can use the processor to chop the vegetables. This is tasty. Now, if you have watched this video to this very minute, kindly like, comment, and share. If it's your first time, kindly follow this page. Love you guys. Still your very girl, Vivianeluchy, and this is my diary.